In this lecture, we are going to look at the code that will look for the confidence interval of our stock returns. As usual, you can look at the title of the notebook to determine what notebook we are currently looking at. To start, we're going to convert all of the Starbucks returns into a NumPy array. We'll call this array values. Next, we're going to grab the mean and the standard deviation of the values array. We'll call these M and S. Next, we're going to calculate the lower and upper limit of the confidence interval. As you recall, this is the sample mean plus or minus 1.96 times S divided by the square root of n. Next, we are going to plot the confidence interval on top of the histogram of the returns. First, we need to actually plot the histogram of the returns. So that's the hist function, same as what we had earlier. Next, I'm going to call the function axvLine to draw vertical lines on the plot. The first vertical line will be located at the location M. I'll label this with the string mean and make it the color red. Next, I'm going to make a vertical line for the lower limit. I'll call this low, and I'll make the color green. Next, I do the same thing for the upper limit. Now, if we look at the plot, it's kind of hard to see. That's because the range of values is large relative to the confidence interval. So in the next plot, I'm going to plot only the vertical lines. So this code is the same as before, except without the histogram. I'm also going to plot a vertical line at the location 0, and I'll make this line blue. If we look at the plot, notice that the confidence interval from the left green line to the right green line includes the value 0. It also includes negative values. In fact, this is closely related to statistical testing, which is what we're going to discuss next.